Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Holly and today I'm going to be doing a review on a foot and calf massager. So if you're interested in a foot and calf massage machine, let's just get straight into this video. Alright, so this is the Terelax foot and calf massager. When you do get it, you get this card that comes with it. And it gives you a free 1-year warranty if you want to get a warranty in case anything happens to the machine within that 1 year. When I first tried this, I did think it was a little awkward because I kept having to bend down to push buttons to try it out. But I didn't realize that it comes with an actual remote. If you want to use a remote, you can use that, or you can just push the buttons manually if you don't feel like, or if you lose the remote, you can also just use this. So there's different settings here, as you can see. There's auto, custom, manual, and yeah, pretty self-explanatory. There's the speed it goes and direction. The only thing I wish that this had on it, honestly, is a power option to increase the strength of the massage, just because it's at like one setting and that's it. So if you want to see how I like it the best, my sister was here this week and she was using this every time she came over. So if you want to put your legs in, you can get your calf massage. You just turn it on. I mean, that feels super good though. So if you want to try getting a calf massage, you just put it on and you can change the speed, you go faster or slower. And then this is the direction, so it'll switch directions. And then there's custom, there's manual, and then there's auto. I usually just use the auto one. Also, if you want to do your feet, don't mind my socks because I have little booty socks on, but you're gonna turn it off and then you put your feet in and you turn it on. And this feels amazing too. So this is a great way to get a massage without having to go and pay a ton of money for a massage. Also, if you're like a nurse like me and you're on your feet a lot and you come home and your feet hurt, this is like amazing. So I'm gonna turn this off really quick. Just a couple of things about this machine. If you're getting it to do your calves, you're gonna wanna make sure that your calves aren't super large because they need to fit into these little cubbies. So if you have really large calves, that might be an exception to you getting this machine for that. Also, auto has 4 different presets, so you're gonna just keep hitting the button to try out the different presets. Custom, there's 3, and then manual. The only time the speed and the direction is gonna work is when you're in manual mode. So if you're in auto and you're pushing these, like I think I was just doing that, it's not gonna work. So these presets are just based off of the direction and the speed, not the intensity. Also, what I just noticed is that this cloth lining where your feet goes, it comes off. So if you feel disgusted that it's dirty, you can take it off and then wash it and then just zip it back on, and then you have a clean machine, and then just wipe the rest down with a cloth, and there you go. So that's all there is to this machine. It's a super convenient machine if you don't have somebody to help you to massage your feet. Also, I don't like my feet being massaged by Diego. I just have a weird thing with feet, so this is like a way for me to get my feet massaged without having someone rubbing my feet. Thank you, Terelax, for this machine. My sister was here this week, like I said, and she was trying to steal this machine from me. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and make sure you visit the website for the Terelax machine. If you want one of these, you can go ahead and order you one on their website, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So as Diego always says, peace out and God bless. Suckers!